Hey guys, so here with the new vlog. Today we are going to go to the lake and probably get a couple groceries, and then tomorrow's the 4th of July, so we will be going to the 4th of July parade and some fireworks tomorrow night. And I am super excited about it. We don't have any 4th of July outfits, but we're going to have fun anyway. But yeah, it's going to be a 2-day vlog this time. Also, I was not able to catch her walking, like really walking for the first time for a video, but she can definitely, she's mad, but she can definitely like actually walk now, so let's just, come on.
Yes, but it's almost lunch, so when I say it's time to go, it's time to go. Promise?
You walking? She's been loving the backyard again. Now fit check. This is Paisley's outfit, little jumper with a flamingo on it. This bow is supposed to be in her hair. Got the Mom and Ain't Easy crop top and the shorts. My hair is braided. I still don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear, probably just my leopard print ones, but yeah. We've been at the lake for like an hour and a half, something like that, but we played frisbee and threw the football and everything. Now they're up there chilling, and she's down here just playing with her little toys. We just got back from the lake. Paisley's going down for a nap, but tomorrow we have some fun things to do with the parade and fireworks. But yeah, we're just gonna rest now because we're tired. But see you tomorrow. Ignore my messy hair, but we woke up too late to go to the parade today. I'm a little upset about it because it would have been Paisley's first 4th of July parade and my first 4th of July parade, but I guess it's just fireworks tonight.
So Hunter just informed me that it is pouring outside. I don't know if it will be pouring outside when it comes time to go see fireworks or not, but we may not be going to see them tonight. Yay.
It's no longer raining, so we get to go. Yeah. There's Paisley's hair. And then my hair.